pretty fast, right? Some time warp there. So here's, oh yeah, here's the house. I haven't shown you the house. Maybe you can see it. That's it. All right, little hiccup today. It did rain. We're going to the mall right now, but Papa took the keys, so we have to go take one of those little scooter things. So that'll be interesting. And we'll be leaving any minute now. And I feel like a superstorm's coming in. Anyways, fun adventures in the Philippines. We're on TV show in the Philippines. Who's our driver? What's your name?
Romy Balangitao.
Romy Mabrapapao. One guy. There's Christian. Yeah. Whoa. This is fine, right, bud? All right, so we are off to, where are we going? To the mall. Well, he's saying, this is the main road.
Yeah, it's the main road.
The main road. Splashy, splashy. Whoa! That was scary. Look at the rooster. So guys, we're off to a big adventure today. To the mall. It's so exciting. We're going to the mall, right, babe? And we got this guy racing through town. He's speeding. He's actually hit at 90 miles per hour. So, hey. Now he's really going really fast. All right, guys. What is this thing called, babe? Tricycle.
Tricycle.
A tricycle with a tricycle. Kind of motor. I don't know what it's called. Tricycle. I have to rate it because that's what we do in this vlog. Is we rate things. And so far this ride is very steep. I think you'll pass out because of the vehicles. But other than that, it's very smooth, very smooth. So I'm gonna have to give it a 4.5. What we did here, that's a low score. But other than that, it's a good ride, good time. We're having a big ball, fun times in the tricycle. We're gonna try to go a secret route. Let me breathe in all the toxic fumes in the back here. Little tricycle. Holy cow. You know, I know I gave it a rating of 4.5, but I was only being nice to that guy. But it's really a 2.5. Yeah, because you're breathing in a lot of crap. A concert here at the mall. They love their karaoke dance stuff, and people love it. Alrighty, we are downtown Dumaguete. Just got out of the gym. Just walking around, checking out stuff, and trying to find, I don't know, some food to try. No, boca, whatever, coconut. I'm trying to find one of those. But that's what I'm doing. I think I know where I'm going. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I'm close. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. I just got back from the gym. It's gonna be my daily routine is come here, go to the gym, found a bike, heading back to the house, guys. Back to the house. That was pretty quick, huh? Little time warp there. Trying to find the house now without looking at GPS because I think I can. Maybe this way? No, I don't think it's that way. Maybe it's that way. No, I think it's this way. Anyway, no, I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Here we go. Let's just go down this way and see if we can find the house. I know I am probably completely wrong, but this is a cool little village, huh? Like little houses, but going through it. See, next time I just want to do it without a driver. Like I just want to do it on my own. That was more of a range driver for me. I want to be able to figure out if I can like actually make it back home. Kind of scary, right? All right, we are off. We're just exploring this town here, where you know we just ride motorbikes everywhere we go. So checking out the town here. I'm a professional driver, trust me. Say hi to my neighbors. There you go. Yeah, it's a nice home. This is what we do in a little town here. I get to drive around on the scooter. Esther?
No one's there, Mom.
No one's there, so I can't deliver the bill. But That was funny. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the new Weber's Way vlogs. Trying to, I want to get up in the air, but I can't get up here. I don't know, I might chance it. I'm in restricted airspace, and I know that I could disable that and fly away like just 100 feet up in the sky, but it's possible radar could pick it up, so I don't know. Other than that, tomorrow we're going to where are we going tomorrow? Going to a beach, so definitely some drone footage there. Good times in the Philippines. I'm just going downtown here. I'm driving right through the major cities right now. Everything just looks the same wherever you go, you know. You got all the little houses. Everyone's got a little house here. Different colors, very bright colors, blue, yellow, green. You could definitely, if you wanted a house here, you could definitely get your favorite color. Colors are very popular in the Philippines, I would know. Our house is only gray, but that's because we're more traditionalists. But you know, everybody just loves a guy just motorizing around town, right? All right, dinner in the Philippines is always a struggle for me, right? What do we got here, Bev?
This is chicken.
Orange chicken?
No, sweet and sour chicken with potatoes and carrots.
All right.
And tomato sauce, pineapple.
All right, here's the test. You guys know the rules. Ready?
How is it?
So hot that it mixes. Hold on. It's
Good?
really good.
Oh, lamian siya tinining. Yeah. See? My aunt
Yeah.
cooks really good.
This is probably the best one. Best one right here. Hands down.
Lamian siya.
We'll give this a.
Dili.
We'll give it a 7.5. 7.5. Now remember, this is all comparable to American diet.
American diet.
Really?
Oh no.
You're gonna swear on this?
No, shh. Just like bleep it.
I gotta bleep that now.
Okay, careful.
Pineapple. It's really good. So there we go. This is dinner in the Philippines. First dinner of many. And we'll see you in the shower. Alright guys, ending the vlog right now. Couldn't fly the drone today because the area that we are near is we're near an airport, so we're right in the red zone. This is the pressure. This is the pressure that I get in the Philippines. It's really powerful, but you know, it will do. But I do have to say thank you to Hero Soap Company for this fresh bar of soap. Just keeps me clean all through my vacation. So I'll see you guys in the next one.